Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO Y22S. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. Not now. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips and manage your passes. If you go to Plus menu, you can add transport pass, loyalty and gift card to your account. And then if you go to menu, you got access to all wallet tips, contactless setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks, and password manager. Then, in your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from GPay, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.